We had a picnic.
We had a picnic.
Tell them about the picnic.
We had a great picnic, actually.
Oh
we
my
have
gosh, look at this
truffle
picnic.
pasta with
So good.
shrimps. Okay, but for real, why do we have a picnic on the side of the road in this beautiful spot in South Florida? Because we were driving along and it started
fire,
which was hilariously like the fire that happened last night, because we dropped a little bit of incense on a sarong and it lit on fire in our room. The fire gods need us to spin fire.
We need to spin some fire.
And after this, okay, so then we are driving and we have no idea why. Maybe a bad crimp is what Greg thinks, but this guy got totally fried. So we took it off the battery terminal to disconnect this from the system. Lane's now covering it with duct tape. We'll put that nut back on, but essentially what was burning under here is this wire, which really should not have gotten so hot. But you can see right there, there's many spots like that where it's just like burnt through. So we're learning about this rig. Essentially, that car battery can charge our bank of solar batteries back here, in here, while the car's running. And so it runs through this box and then can charge these batteries if there's not enough sun. We checked, there's a lot of sun. There's a regulator too, where 50% comes from the sun and 50% comes from the engine generally. When the engine's running, nothing's wrong on here. All these three lights mean that everything's good. The batteries are on, but the battery charger fuse is broken in here. So essentially, we have no idea what happened because we drove this rig on the highway yesterday and the day before, and Greg's been driving it a bit here and there, so we don't know. Anyways, day one, troubleshooting magic.
Magic.